Hello, my name is Aaron Bensinger. I'm an attorney here with Huffman Kelly Brock & Gottschalk. I've been practicing since 2005. I'm licensed in California and Ohio. I handle corporate transactional issues, creation of LLCs. There comes a point in every business where a business owner needs to seriously consider taking the next step in forming a corporate entity. There's a number of advantages to forming a corporate entity. Some of those have tax implications, some of those have liability implications. For example, when you're a sole proprietor, if you were to be sued by someone, they could go after your personal assets, your home. If they were to get a judgment, they could potentially garnish your wages, attach your bank accounts, things like that. As a business owner, sometimes those assets could be substantial and you want to protect them. The best way to do that is to create a limited liability company or a corporation. Again, you do that by contacting an attorney, and what we do is we obtain the information from you, discuss with you your goals of what you want to accomplish by forming some type of corporate entity. We also help you in selecting a name, making sure that it's unique and there's no other names like that in Ohio or possibly in other parts of the country. And then once we've decided the type of corporate entity, we submit all the paperwork to the state. The other big thing when you're creating a corporate entity is you want to make sure that you maintain what's called corporate formalities, which is a term of art. Essentially what that means is you need to hold your meetings once a year, you have to have a separate bank account, you have to have, if it's an LLC, an operating agreement. If it's a corporation, you have to have corporate regulations and or bylaws explaining how the company operates. If you are sued, what you need to do is produce these things during the litigation to show that you are maintaining the corporate status, and that creates the shield between you and the corporate entities so that only the corporation would be liable for that suit. And so the biggest difference between having a business that's just a sole proprietorship or setting up an LLC or a corporation, which is the most common forms, some less common forms would be like a limited partnership or an LP, is that you face personal liability until you take the step of contacting an attorney and creating the corporate entity. For more information on any of these types of corporate formations or any questions whether it's right for you and your business, you can contact me with Huffman Kelly Brock & Gottschalk at 419-227-3423.